Anushree tutorials. In this video we will see about HCF. See what is HCF? HCF is nothing but highest common factor. C stands for common and F stands for factor. So first we need to find the factors of the given numbers, and then from that we need to identify the common factors. In that common factor, highest factor, we need to say that HCF of the given numbers. See, this HCF we can find in three ways. What are they? By finding common factors, by writing all the common factors of the given numbers, we will find the HCF. And the other one is by using prime factorization method. By using prime factorization method also we can find the HCF. And finally by using long division method. In these three ways we find the HCF. Whichever is easy for you, you can follow that one. But see one thing, in exams if they mention particularly long division or prime factorization or common factors method, then you need to do that method only. If it is any competitive exam, you can find which one is easy for you, that you can follow. Now see each one in detail. Now see the first method, that is by using common factors. So in this method, first we write the factors of the given numbers. From that we identify the common factors. In that the highest number is called as HCF of the given numbers. See this one example. Suppose my numbers are 25 and 50. I am going to find HCF of 25 and 30. So for that first we need to write the factors of 25. So what are the factors of 25? What is the factor means? The numbers which divide the given number exactly are called factors of this number. So which numbers are divides 25 exactly? 1 divides 25 exactly. 125 is 25. Then 5 divides 25 exactly. 5 5s are. And then 25 divides 25 exactly. See how we know which number divides exactly? Instead of that you can follow mathematical tables also. In which table the 25 comes, that number is a factor of 25. See where we get 25? One table we get 25 and 5 table 5 5s are 25, and then in 25 table only we get 25. So now write the factors of 50. Factors of 50. What are the factors of 50? 50 comes in one table, and then 50 comes in two table. 225 is 50. And then in 3 table it won't come, in 4 table it won't come. Check it. In 5 table 5 tens 50. And then next in 10 table 10 5s, 25 2s and 50 1s. These are the factors of 50. Now observe the common factors. What we need to write? Common factors of 25 and 50. So what are the common factors in these two numbers? See here, 1 is common in the two numbers, and then 5 is common, and then 25 is common. So we have to take these common factors. What are those? 1, 5 and 25 are the common factors of 25 and 5. So from this highest common factor, what we want? Highest or greatest common factor. So what is the greatest number in this common factor? What is the highest number in these common factors? In 1, 5, 25. 25 is the highest common factor. So highest common factor is nothing but HCF. So HCF of 25 and 50 is nothing but 25. Like this we will find the HCF of the given numbers by using common factors. Not only for 3 numbers, for any number of numbers we can find the HCF by using this method. Now see the second method, that is prime factorization method. See in this method for the given numbers first we need to write the prime factorization. Prime factorization is nothing but the prime factors of the given number. So from that prime factorization we can find the HCF. So see how to find the HCF of the numbers with prime factorization method. See here also take the same example, that is 25 and 50. So first I need to write the prime factorization of 25. So what is the prime factorization of 25? See here we need to take only prime numbers. So 25 comes in 5 tables. So 5 5s are 25 and then 5 1s are 5. So what is the prime factorization of 25? Prime factorization of 25 is nothing but 5 into 5. Now find the prime factorization of 50. So here we need to use only prime numbers. Whichever is easy for you, you can take either 2 or 5. I am taking 5 because 5 tens are 50. It is easy for me. And then 5 2s are 10. And then 2 1s are. See here all we need to get prime numbers only. Up to 1 we will do this process. So what is the prime factorization of 50? Is nothing but 5 into 2. Now what is common in this? See 5 is common and then one more 5 also common. What is common? Common factors here is nothing but 5 into 5. These are the common factors. So that is nothing but your HCF. That is HCF of 25 and 50 is nothing but 5 5s are 25 is your answer. So like this we will find the HCF of the given numbers with the help of prime factorization method. Now see the long division method. By using long division method also we will find the HCF of the given numbers. See this with an example. Here also take an example 25 and 50. I am going to find the HCF of 25 and 50 with the help of long division method. So for doing long division, how we do the divisions? The bigger number we need to write in the middle and then the 25 is the divisor. Smaller number we take as divisor. Now start the division. 25 to 50. So 50 minus 50 0. So here 25 is the HCF of the given numbers. So in one step only it completes. So let us take one more example. See how to find the HCF of 6 and 25. So take the 25 and divide this 25 with 6. Where we get 25 in 6 table? We won't get. Smaller than 25? 6 4s 24. So now do the subtraction. We will get 1 here. Now this 1 becomes the divisor and this quotient we need to divide here. So what we are doing? In the previous step, whatever is the divisor, that divisor we are going to take to divide, and the remainder what we got in this step becomes a divisor. Now in one table where we get 6, 1 6 are 6. Now the remainder is 0. So we need to do this process up to get the remainder as 0. In which step we get the remainder as 0? In that step, whatever is the divisor we have, that divisor is the HCF of the given number. See here, I am taking 25 and I am dividing the 25 with 6. Smaller number is the divisor. So 6 4s 24 and I am getting 1 as remainder. Now this remainder will become the divisor for the second step. So which number we are going to divide here? Whatever is the divisor in the first step, that number we are going to divide here. So 1 6 are 6, remainder 0. So this process we will continue up to get the remainder as 0. So in this step, when we get remainder as 0, then whatever is the divisor, that is our HCF. So what is HCF? HCF of 6 and 25 is 1. Like this we will find the HCF by using long division method. Hope you understand how to find the HCF. Practice more problems, it will be easy for you. Thank you.